Hello K1, how are you doing today? You feeling good? You ready to learn? You are? That's fantastic. Let's sing our hello song before we start today's maths lesson. Are you ready? Okay. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? How are you, K1? I hope you're feeling wonderful and ready for today's exciting lesson. We are going to be using a tape measure. What color is this? Yes, this is pink. And we are going to measure some objects today with Teacher Jade's pink measuring tape. Yay! So, today we are going to compare using the measuring tape. Compare which is bigger, which is smaller, which is bigger, which is smaller. And then we are going to measure, look, using the measuring tape. How exciting! Measure. And we are going to measure the height of some things. The height. Teacher's height is 163 centimeters. That is how tall Teacher Jade is. 163 centimeters. I used the measuring tape. You can also measure your height. How tall or short are you? Height. Very good, K1. And we also going to measure the length. How long is Teacher Jade's arm? Can you guess? We'll take a guess and we'll measure Teacher Jade's arm soon. Yes, I am going to measure the length of my arm. Wow! Okay, so first let's take the measuring tape and I have a picture frame. That's Teacher Jade's dog. But let's measure how big the picture frame is. So we take the measuring tape from the top to the bottom and we measure. And look, it says number 28. So this is 28 centimeters. If we measure the height, yes, the height, and then if we measure the length of the picture frame, we go this way. And the length of the picture frame is 23. Wow, that is great. So we can measure objects. Now, let's measure the hairbrush. Do you think the hairbrush is bigger or smaller than the picture frame? Let's measure. The hairbrush is only 17.5 centimeters. The hairbrush is only 17.5 centimeters. Wow, very good, K1. The length. Let's measure the length of my arm. So we'll put the number there at the tips of my finger and measure all the way to the end, and all the way to my shoulder is 70 centimeters. Let's write that down. The length of teacher's arm, A-R-M, arm. How long did we say my arm was? 70 centimeters. So let's write 70 centimeters. Wow, we did some measuring. Very good, K1. So if you have a measuring tape, you can measure how tall you are. Yes, you can. And you can measure how long your arm is. The length of your arm. And the height. How tall or short you are. Now let's compare. Which one is bigger or smaller? The picture frame and the hairbrush. The picture frame is bigger. The hairbrush is smaller because we used the measuring tape and we measured to make sure. Wow! Let's measure one more thing. Teacher Jade's TV remote. And you can measure your TV remote. The TV remote is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Wow! That's fantastic. Can you count to 20? Let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work, K1. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on measuring. How wonderful compare, measure our height and the length. Well done, K1. Have a lovely, lovely afternoon. Remember to stay safe. Goodbye.